This is CodeCombat, level 19 of Introduction to Computer Science. This is the JavaScript version of the game. So let's see what we have here. Walk over to collect the gems, say units' names to summon them, attack doors to break out your friends. So if you notice, we are bluish, and these are going to be our allies, where these will be the people we will be fighting against. So let's go ahead and see what code they have for us. Welcome to the arena. Sure. It's time to demonstrate your skills. And notice these are our scouts. They are on our team. Yes, even though they are ogres. Summoning your friends. And collect gems. Break open doors to free or open bonus routes. Good luck. So what we're going to do then is we're going to go through this level. We're going to break open doors. We can break open our friends to help in the battle. And then as it states over here, you can also summon, which is something new. For example, to summon a thrower, you would use summon up to 2 throwers at 9 gold each. So if I say the word thrower, I summon one, and I can say it twice, and that costs up to 9 gold. I can also say scout to summon a scout at the cost of 18 gold. The how much gold I have? Well, right now I would have 2, as you can see right there. So now that we understand that, I'm going to get rid of this just for readability's sake. I moved up. Let's see. I moved up. I broke open this door, which these guys are on my side, and they go and attack. However, they're not enough of a force. So what I will go ahead and do now is I'm going to let out these 2 groups as well. So to do that, I'm going to move over, it looks like 1, 2, 3, and down 1, I believe. We'll find out. So let's go ahead and move left 3, and then down 1. And then we want to attack, it looks like doors B and C. And notice that you need, since that's the door's name, you will need it in quotes. It's a name, not a variable. And then the other door, like I said, was B. B. Let's see what happens there. Yep, walking on over here. Oh, it looks like I might have needed to move right one more. Yes, I did. Okay. Or I mean, move left one more time. So let's go ahead and make that happen for us. Excellent, and that was enough. And now if I can break these doors open, that releases our friends, and we can now go ahead and progress. I wonder what this potion is. So I'm going to drop down, well, I'm going to actually drop down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. That way I can collect all of this loot. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Apparently, unleashing just those was enough without even using summon. Huh. So we are successful. This is one solution to it. Another solution to this, though, would be to use the summon. So if I drop, I'd like to go ahead and show you that. But this is successful. I could move on. Another solution to this would be, instead of just going over and releasing them, we could use more of our summon command or our summon line, which it states up here, 2 throwers are 9 gold, up to 2 throwers at 9 gold each, so you can only have 2 of those at a time, I believe, and a scout. So I'm going to go up and around, I'm going to go over 1, and then let's drop down 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe? And then let's start summoning. I'm going to get rid of this just to make it easy or to read. Then I need to move left because I'll be here. I'm going to go left once. And then let's try down. I'm not entirely sure, but let's try down 4. Now, if you remember, it said we would have to say, and scout would summon a scout. And thrower. Let's say thrower twice. We could summon up to 2. I am not sure if we can summon multiple scouts, but let's give it a shot. What can it hurt? And let's see how that does for us. So we've released our friends here, and I know they're ogres, but yes, they are our friends right now. And notice the coins I have going up to 37. I'm going to stop here. Scout, scout. I can summon 2 scouts. Okay. I do not believe that's going to be enough to save us, though. So if I can summon 2 scouts, I am going to do copy and paste. Let's do that again. And this is another way to do this. I'm not even going over here. I could go release the friends and summon people. Eventually, these enemies are going to kill me. It looks like they're paused at the moment. But let's see if this will accomplish our goal. I had enough money, so I am summoning a whole bunch of scouts here. And hopefully, it looks like this ultimately will be successful as indicated by the done button. Here goes the battle. And it looks like that I will be winning this. We will defeat all the enemies. Defeat the enemy hero. Oh, we defeat the enemy hero. Understood. Your hero must survive. So, mission accomplished. And again, there are multiple ways of taking on this challenge. But as long as you get through it alive, that is success. Excellent. And that is the end of the course. Level 18. Well, wait a minute. Introduction 18 out of 18. But this says 19. Regardless, that is the end of the main portion of the course.